What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So I'll show you guys how I got these cute Valentine's Day or birthday day nails, whatever you want to do these nails for. They cute regardless, and we're gonna get right into the video. So I'm using, I believe the name is Lustrous Pink from Valentino, and for the ombre nails I didn't put clear on the natural nail for this because this pink actually is a cover powder, meaning it's strong enough to be on its own. It's not necessarily a pigment, so I don't need to put clear underneath. But I dragged it down a little bit for the ombre. And then I put a tiny bit of clear so that I can attach these hearts. And once I have the hearts on, I will encapsulate with the clear. But I'm only encapsulating where the hearts are, and I'll kind of go upwards because I already sort of made the apex with the nude. I don't necessarily need to go completely over the nude with the clear. So as you see, I'm not going all the way up, like all the way to the cuticle. I'm just going as far as I need to in order to get that perfect apex and that perfect application. For the two middle fingers, I'm just going in and they're going to be fully nude so that I can do the heart design with the diamonds on top. So I'm just going in with my regular application with the nude. And again, I don't need to put clear underneath or on top of this powder because this is a cover powder, meaning it is strong enough to be on its own. Here you're going to see me add some more monomer into my little cup, and you always want to make sure that you have enough monomer to where your brush is completely covered when you dip it inside, because if you don't, that'll mess up your bead, which will mess up your application. So you just want to be cautious about that. And for this pointer finger and the thumb finger, I'm basically just doing the same thing as the pinky, which you'll see. For my shaping, I'm just going in with my regular shaping, and if you want to see how I shape in a more detailed video, I did make a video about shaping, which is in the description box below. I do like to then go through and clean up the nails a little bit with my e-file, and I just go running around the cuticle area real quick, and then I run down the nail to make sure there's no bumps left or anything. And sometimes I'll even go underneath the nail, and that's because sometimes I make the acrylic too thick, and that actually thins out the bottom and makes that edge super straight. And I like to go across the edge as well, just to get it even more straighter. But I don't think I do it in this video, but in my other videos you can definitely see it. Then I just go through in my buffer, and I like to use the harder side and then the softer side, and that's just to give the nails a smoother surface. And no, I didn't skip that ring finger. I'm pretty sure I did it. I just didn't record it, maybe. I don't know. Then I had the client go and wash her hands, and I'll start with the diamonds. And I'm using my gummy jelly to apply where I will be applying the diamonds. And then I will top coat it with my Valentino top coat over top of the gummy jelly. And then to get that heart, I first went ahead and just did whatever looked good on one finger. And then in order to match it to the other finger, I did kind of try to squish the two together. Like that right there, you see me doing. I'm holding them as close, not as close, but as close in length, if that makes sense, as I can, just to get it to be even on both sides, to actually look like the hearts can be attached, if that makes sense. For the second side of the heart, I went ahead and put one diamond where it ends and starts, so that I kind of get the idea of where all the diamonds need to go. And then I just went through in the end and moved everything around with my tweezers just to get that perfect diamond shape. We wanted to do all the other fingers matte, so I went ahead and top coated those after the heart was cured for 60 seconds. And then I'll go ahead and cure these fingers for 60 seconds as well. And you might see me wipe the sides. That's just because gel can sometimes mess up the shape when it slides everywhere. So I just like to wipe them before anything. And once that is cured for 60 seconds, you guys know I always gotta add my cuticle oil. And this is the finished product. These came out super cute. I love these so much. These cute Valentine's Day nails, birthday nails, any day nails. Okay, these are just cute, period. Okay, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, please. And go ahead and watch my other videos. Thank you.